Today we are at RSPB Fairburn Ings. Here you can see some sand martins which are nesting in a sandstone wall. This wall is especially made for sand martins to nest in. As you can see, the holes and these holes have a piping filled with sand, which makes it easy for these guys to make their nests. It is an efficient way for them to raise their young. Here you can see at least how much sand martins actually use this wall. This is a male pheasant. Males compared to females are a bit bigger and also are very bright. Here you can see this male has been in a fight. Its tail feathers have been ripped out. This happens in the wild and it is a very sad thing to see. We saw two males having a fight. This is the same male as last time with the tail feathers already being plucked out. These guys will be fighting over females or even dominance. These are the females. As you can see, they are much lighter brown. Here is a greenfinch, which is one of the rarer finches, but is a very beautiful garden bird. These are goldfinches on the feeder. This coot male is bringing back reeds to the female at the nest. This is going to reinforce the nest and make it better for the young to be raised in. At the back there you can see the female incubating eggs in the nest. We then proceeded to do the riverbank trail, which we didn't see much apart from this tree creeper. Tree creepers have a bill that is shaped down so that they can get into all the caverns of the tree to get grubs to eat. They also have a white breast. Here is a great tip. After the riverbank trail, we came back to one of the feeding stations. Here you can see many chaffinches which are feeding on the floor. Here is a robin, which is one of the more recognisable garden birds by its orange undersides and its very loud call. Here are some mallard ducklings, which are the first that I have seen this year, which is a very good spot. Here you can see the mother of her ducklings. As you can see, she has 7 ducklings, which is a very large amount of eggs to raise and chicks to raise. Here is an avocet, which has a bill that goes up, and they mostly live on lakes and by the shore. Here you can see 2 more. Here is a greenfinch on the feeders. Finches' bills have adapted so that they can open up seeds and get the nutritious heart inside. As you can see, it's light work for this greenfinch to get seeds. Here is a great spotted woodpecker, which last week we saw, and we saw it exactly the same time this week. This great tit is eating the seed that it got out of the feeder a couple of seconds ago. This grey squirrel is trying to get a fat ball out, but obviously it is a challenge for it, as the fat balls do not fit through the holes. This grey squirrel has just finally got a bit of fat ball out, and as you can see, it's feasting on it now. This is a little grebe. These are very recognisable by their very small size and their white dot that they have on their beak. Here is a long-tailed tit, which is on the feeder. These guys have a pink belly and a very long tail. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks you for watching.